Here, without that second step to run this, here v1, v2, v3, v4 like this will get it. Okay, that is mean variable. v1 is a variable 1 to 24. So why we are getting this like this? Because we don't have the heading. Okay, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you run first, if you import, this is for the changing the file name. After this, if you run structure of that movies is the data set name. Okay, if you enter, you will get the heading. Okay, heading will be there, but no heading will be there because heading will be default. It will take v1, v2, v3. So that is the reason we have completed this step. Okay, so everybody completed this step. Second step. Anybody not complete, let me know. I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then I'll proceed. So after this, if you try, run the structure here, now V1 become what? ID, V2 become title, V2 become V3 become release date. So based on this, this is become V1, V2, V3 like this. Now heading is ready. Let me know once you complete up to this step, you type it in chat window, then I'll proceed to the next step. Rahul completed, Ravi, Varda, many people let me know. Let me know other people also once you complete up to this step. Ashwin. Please understand, row is the how many rows, how many data are there in this case study? How many movies of data is there? How many movies? How much is sample size?
168.
1682, sir.
So column is a variable 24. Okay, starting from ID to Western. Okay, now problem here is we don't want unwanted. What is the bit? Starting itself, we are calculating distance from where to where. Distance, we equivalent distance, right? Where we are calculating the movies, right? Movies with respect to this only this 18, this one. Okay, 18 this variable. These are the variables. So, but we don't want this ID, release date, video release date, title BD because title is very important. So unwanted data are there that we can remove it. Okay. So how to do it? We'll discuss now. So for this we can use the function called null. Okay. We don't want ID. Just type ID. Here ID slash movies dot ID. That means that variable null. Okay. If you check the structure of the data, here ID will not be there. You start from title. Okay, 23 become. Okay, similarly you can remove other variable, movie release date. Okay, then what else? Movie video date. That also I don't want. Then movie IMDb. This all these things I don't want. Okay, up to this you do it. So now how many variable? 4 variable we removed. Okay, that means 20 variable will be there. So these are the cleaning data you have to do it. Unnecessary variable, unnecessary to take a lot of time to call. Once you complete type in chat window, then I'll proceed. basic function. You can use up arrow and you can edit. Let's complete it. Okay. Wait another 2 to 3 minutes. Actually, okay, now you can check the structure of the data. How many variables are there now? How many variables?
20.
21.
20, no? 20. 4 variables.
20, sir.
20.
You remove this.
20, sir.
You remove the IT also, you remove it. Huh? IT also. I think that. Now, if you look at this, some movies might be repeated. Okay, we don't want to duplicates. So in order to remove that in data set duplicates, you can use this function. Okay, you use this function movie unique movies. Now if you check the structure of the data here, initially how much was the movie was there? 682. Now it become 664. So how many movies are repeated?
18 movies, sir.
18. Okay. So you need unnecessary, it will create problem. So it is like in any kind of machine learning algorithm, data quality is very important. Garbage in, garbage out. Okay, data quality is very important. Okay. After that, remember for calculating the distance between two data point, what is the concept used? 1 minute. Vijit, what is the concept used for calculating the distance between two data point? Here the data points are movies, right? Distance between two movies. What is the concept we used? Did you remember in the previous class? What is the concept we used? Vijit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me. Calculating the each data point. Here the data point is movie. Calculating the distance between two data point or two movie. What is that concept you used? Listening or what class? Hello?
Euclidean distance, sir.
Yeah, Euclidean distance. The formula already written. The distance between two. You type this. Now first you have to calculate the distance between each combination. How many movies are there now? 1664. In this we are calculating each combination. Okay. Write down distance equal to dist function movies. Why 2 to 20? Why not 1 to 20? Variable. This is a variable. Why we use
Sir, one is title, sir.
that is not formula. The square root of 0 to 0 like this we have done, right? So from second only it's an unknown action like this. So method we use Euclidean. There are other methods are the Manhattan on this Euclidean distance use. Enter. So data will be already stored in somewhere in R. So each calculated remember we got square root of pi for particular two combination. Similarly, like this data will be there for all the combination of 664 observations. Here observation is movies. Now, next one is you have to calculate the distance between clusters. Okay, one cluster to another cluster. So for this, we use which method? Which method we use to calculate the distance between the clusters? We calculate distance between observation or data point. Now, if you want to calculate the distance between cluster, what method you have to
Centroid cluster, sir.
centroid? Here, that is centroid, we can use ward dot d. This advanced form of centroid. So it will calculate not only the center portion and variance also will calculate. Ward dot d. So it will calculate the distance between two variables. Okay, you complete up to this step. So we are using hierarchical clustering here. For this, we'll get to a dendrogram. Now we'll see how to get it. We calculate the distance between the movie and distance between the clusters. Now we are going to draw the diagram of dendrogram. Let me know once you completed. You type it in chat window. Then I'll proceed to the this step. Yes, those who are not submitting, writing, chatting under class participation, I have to give any marks. But today some people not at all converting. I think they are simply warning the mic and sleeping. Please interact and.
Sir, for distance, it's coming a warning message, sir, for me. Hello.
What body you are getting?
In distance movies, 2:20 method equivalent NAS introduced by correction.
Okay, you type it one more time. Please check it. Distance you put proper normal, but this is not this bracket. Which bracket you have to put? It's above, not lower bracket. Normal bracket you have to put.
Normal bracket. Oh, okay.
Not lower bracket or some other bracket. Something near P is the right. Near P or above the enter key or carefully you type it.
Square bracket, sir.
Square bracket. Okay. Now we are going to write down the dendrogram. Okay. Let me know once you complete. So yeah, I will be completed. You shall I wait some more time or what? Shall I proceed? Plot dot clusters. Okay. This you type this. We enter is there is a separate window will open. Here. This is called dendrogram. You can save this also if you want. So once you're ready, let me know. I'll proceed how to interpret. File name showing error. Which error? What error? Anish?
So that you
Your voice is breaking, Anish. Hello? I'll put it in the chat window also. Please check it. Huh? Anish, I'll put it in the chat window. If you're not able to see properly, check this out. You copy paste, not this bracket, another bracket. This one. I think shift, not the shift, without shift you have to press. Okay. Now I'll explain. Here I told you, right? So I told you, right? The down. Okay, this will be what? Each observation will start as each cluster. How? That's why we are getting color, black color, because a lot of data is there. How much data is there? How much data is there?
1000.
1000. That's much.
664.
Each
164.
previously in the PPT only 5 data point was easy to see, but here is a lot of data is there. That's why you are getting this much color. Okay, so if you put starting from each data point as each cluster, finally ending as a one cluster. Okay, is it fine? Now if you look at this, as I told you, right, if you can put some line, if you put line here, if you put line here, how many cluster will come?
2 clusters.
Sir.
Line plus line, 2 cluster, you can move here. If you put line here, how many cluster will come? 3 cluster.
3 clusters.
Like this you can, but better is if you look at this, 2 cluster is better. If you look at this, if you put 2 cluster, you can move the line from freely without changing the cluster. But if you put here also you can move, but become 3 cluster. But after some time become 2, and if you come here, it become 4 cluster.
4 clusters.
Yeah. But as I told you in the class also, the previous example, the previous session, we have to use dendrogram also. You can decide the cluster, and also you can use some kind of subject expert opinion also. Okay, but if you look at the movies and all, 2 cluster is not so good. Okay, so there are a lot of groups will be there in watching the movie. Some people, if you look at the child, they are very comfortable watching this one. Even for adult also, they are comfortable with an action movie. Some people are liking only romance. Some people will be different. So it's not possible to restrict the customer segment or group into 2 or 3 clusters. Okay. So what the Netflix is done is they went with a 10 cluster. If you put line somewhere here, somewhere here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's moving more. Okay, if you put here somewhere 10 cluster is coming. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So normally they went with how many clusters? 10 clusters. Okay, I just try to just check that. One minute. I just trying to find it out, draw the line. Point. Okay, leave it. See here, if you put line somewhere, it will be 10 cluster. Okay, now we are going with the 10 cluster as per the case study, because the case study they use the 10 cluster for grouping. Okay, so why we are, even though dendrogram suggested 2 or 3 cluster, if you put line, you can move little bit. So suggested is 2, but you have to check with the ground reality also with expert. So 2 cluster, 3 cluster will not be fulfill the customer requirement. So we'll go with the 10 clusters. Okay, now we are going for the next step. Assign point to the cluster. Okay, so, yeah, please.
Screen is not sharing, sir.
Which one is not sharing? Now it's fine.
I couldn't see the screen, sir.
Now you're able to see R.
No, sir.
Now we're able to see or
No, sir.
now. Now
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
now see here there are two clusters possible. We are going with the 3 clusters. This is 10 clusters. Okay. So now you use this function. Okay. Distance equal to dist. No, this is okay. This already we done it. Cluster groups. Okay. We are making cut 3 into how many cluster we are making? 10 clusters. Okay. 10 clusters otherwise called 10 groups of
10 clusters.
10 cluster, 10 groups of write down cut tree cluster movies equal to k mean what 10 groups. Okay, if it was 3 mean k equal to 3. First we will complete, then we'll see what is really happened to the context. Okay, now let's figure out what the clusters are like. Okay, let's see the tapply function to compute the percentage of movie in each category. Okay, each category means unknown, action, and other class 18 classification. Okay, so now I'll just tell you. So after this one, the data matrix I'll just share with you here. Now data will be like this. Okay, so please imagine our background. This is the data will be developed. Okay. No, I didn't put exact time. So the row will be what? Row will be what? Movies. Okay. Movies.
Movie
from,
names.
movie names from 1 to how much will be there? Movie. How much? 1 6
1,664, sir.
54. Huh?
64.
64.
So this will be the
sir.
so like this movie name from this like this variable. This is a variable 1. Okay. Up to how much will be there?
20.
20, sir.
20.
V20 or V20 is nothing but V20 is what? Exactly name of the V20 is what? Variable 20. I think Western something, right? I think Western, check it. V20 is what?
Yes, sir. Westerns.
Western. Okay. Western something. Okay. Like this. First will be name of the movie. V1 is which one? I think unknown. Then action something up to 20. Okay. Now one more column will be created. Last column. This column is called cluster. Okay. I'm not able to write properly. Cluster. This is the cluster. How many clusters are there? How many clusters are there?
10 clusters.
10 clusters.
Okay, 10 clusters. So 10 clusters. Okay. Here 10 clusters. Okay. Here that first move. This will be move. Each values are how denoted? Either 0 or 1, right?
Or 1.
Like here all the data will be there. Here movie name, some Toy Story, something. This is the wording text will be there. Here everywhere this entire space will be what will be there from V2 to V20. What will be there?
0, 1.
0 or 1. Correct?
1.
0 or 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Be created after this step. This is a cluster. The first movie will come under any one of the 10 cluster. Assume that maybe first one will come under second cluster, and this row will come under 5th cluster. This movie will come under first cluster. This movie will come under 6th cluster. This movie will come under 7th cluster. Maybe randomly it will come. Okay, based on the distance, and the Euclidean distance and the quad distance. Okay. So now this column is ready now. Okay. Now I want to know what is the average of what is this but one only this one. Okay, only this. It will take average of only wherever one is there. That average only will calculate for the each category. Okay. Now we'll see. Okay, how to calculate. Okay, this is the data matrix. It is there in Excel. Now separately we are going to calculate what is the average of first cluster, what is the average for second cluster, what is the average of third cluster based on the classification. What is the classification? 18 classification, right? Each classification, what is the average is coming under unknown, what is the average is coming for the which one action. Like this, all the classification we are going to take average for only first cluster. Then we'll go to second cluster, third cluster, all these things. So based on this, we'll give. So average will be how much will come? What is the minimum average will come? Any idea? What is the minimum average and maximum average will come? Anybody? What is the data value of 0 and 1? What is the minimum average and maximum average will come?
0 minimum,
0 sir, maximum 1.
maximum 1.
Okay, 1 mean that company, that particular cluster is come under particular category. Okay, we'll see now. Okay. So now I'm going to R. Are you able to see the R software now? Okay. So now you use the T apply function. We're making
Yes, sir.
T apply function. You apply this T apply. Only movie. Movie mean which movie? Which one? Which variable we have taken now? Action. There are 18 variables are there. We have taken which one? Action. So the cluster group. Okay, cluster group mean okay. All the 10 cluster. All the 10 cluster. Only action column. Okay. So wherever the action is there, we have taken all the cluster. What is all the cluster? 10 cluster, 1 to 10. What is the average for the first cluster? First cluster, what is the average? 18. Second cluster, what is the average? Action movie? 78. Third cluster, what is the average? 12. Fourth cluster, 0. Fifth cluster. So the action movie coming under which cluster?
0.
Mostly dominated by which cluster? Action movie mostly dominated by which cluster? 1 mean it is there. 0 mean
Second
second cluster. And but it's not at all is there in which cluster? Fourth cluster, fifth cluster.
4, 5, 7,
4, 5.
It is there in
8.
first cluster, second cluster, and third and fourth, but mostly dominated in which cluster? Second cluster. Okay. Similarly,
Second
Second
cluster.
cluster.
similarly, if you want to do it for another one, what is the another? This one is there. Another groups. Shall we go romance movie? Romance movie, you check it. So romance movie. There are 18 kind of movies are there, right? 18 classification. Romance movie. Again, if you look at this, mostly is dominated in which cluster?
Second cluster.
Cluster.
Properly. 6th and 7th, right? Almost 1-1. Maximum, right?
First cluster, sir.
6 and 7.
First cluster.
First cluster, sir.
6 and
No,
7.
sir. 6 and 7, sir.
Here 1
And
1
7.
0 0 1.0.
And 7.
Everywhere in this cluster, all are romance movie only. Okay. So like this, you can do for any movie. What are the other movies are there? Compare. What is the another one?
Adventure.
Thriller, sir.
Horror, sir.
Adults and what else? Unknown is there, right? Unknown capital, no? Unknown. Okay. Unknown. Like this, you can calculate all the movies. Unknown movie is mostly coming into which one? I think mostly it's first category, first group.
First, sir.
So like this, you can do
First cluster.
the first cluster. Yeah, like this, you can do for other anything. Okay. I don't want this one, sir. I want column wise also. You can do it. You want column wise. Column wise mean only based on the category. Okay, action movie only first cluster. If you want second cluster, this one. Second cluster of people, this is also you can do it. Mostly first cluster, they are into which one? Mostly they are watching. Mostly which one? I think war related movie they're watching. I think, right? War, right? Yes, war, not war. Comedy, the comedy children, and comedy children movie and the drama also. More values are in 3.9, right? 0.3. Okay. First cluster, second cluster people we are into action, more into action. Okay. So if you want third cluster also, you can do. So like this, you can do all these things. Now I prepared the Excel sheet. You can there is one Excel sheet. It is there, and I don't know. I'll check it in the. I'll do classroom. Let's go. You can repeat for each cluster. Okay, now I will check it in the. Once you complete, I developed Excel sheet based on this output, and I given the name also. I'll wait for another 3 to 4 minutes. If you complete comfortable with, then I'll proceed.